Welcome back to WanderQuest, where we take you on unforgettable journeys across the globe. From iconic cities and natural wonders to cultural treasures and off-the-beaten-path adventures. Planning a trip to Italy? Get ready to love the amazing coastlines, famous history, and yummy food. In this video, we're showing you the top 5 places you absolutely have to see in Italy, with awesome new videos to inspire your next adventure. Let's go! We'll start our Italian adventure in Rome, the Eternal City. Rome is number 5 on our list, and it's a city that feels timeless. You'll walk in the footsteps of emperors and gladiators, then sip espresso in a busy plaza. It's a cool mix of old wonders and modern life. Imagine standing in the Colosseum, that huge arena where gladiators fought, feeling the echoes of the past. Picture exploring the Roman Forum, the center of the ancient Roman Empire, where you can almost hear senators speaking and people going about their day centuries ago. And then there's the Trevi Fountain, a beautiful piece of art. Legend says that throwing a coin over your shoulder into the fountain means you'll return to Rome. Trust me, after seeing this city, you'll hope that's true. But Rome isn't just about ancient history. It's also a city of art, from the amazing paintings in the Sistine Chapel to masterpieces by Caravaggio and Bernini. And speaking of masterpieces, you have to visit St. Peter's Basilica, an amazing building and home to Michelangelo's famous Pietà. After a long day of exploring, you'll be hungry. And Rome has incredible food. Go to the charming Trastevere neighborhood for real Roman food like spaghetti alla carbonara or saltimbocca. Find a small restaurant on a cobblestone street, enjoy the company of locals, and taste the flavors of Rome. From Rome, we head south to the Amalfi coast, our number 4 pick. It's so beautiful, it feels like a dream. Imagine huge cliffs dropping into the turquoise Mediterranean Sea, colorful villages on the hills, and the smell of lemon trees. This is a place to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature and Italian life. Explore the winding streets of Positano, with its houses covered in flowers, tumbling down to the sea. Get lost in the alleys of Amalfi and enjoy the sunny beaches. For romance, visit Ravello, high above the sea, and walk through its gardens with amazing views. Don't miss a boat trip. Imagine cruising on the water, the sun on your face, passing hidden coves. As the sun sets, turning the cliffs golden, raise a glass of limoncello, the local lemon drink, and celebrate the beauty of this magical place. The Amalfi Coast is amazing, a place to relax and make memories that will last forever. Chapter 3. Florence, birthplace of the Renaissance. From the sunny Amalfi Coast, we go to Florence, our number 3 pick. It's where the Renaissance started, and it feels like a giant museum. Art and history are everywhere, and you can feel the spirit of Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. Get ready to be amazed by the Duomo, Florence's magnificent cathedral with its huge dome. Go inside the Uffizi Gallery, filled with Renaissance masterpieces like Botticelli's Birth of Venus and Leonardo da Vinci's Annunciation. And you must see Michelangelo's David, a statue so lifelike it will take your breath away. But Florence is more than just famous sights. It has charming bridges, busy markets, and workshops where you can watch artists using old traditions. Walk across the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence not destroyed in World War II, with its shops built on it. Explore the Mercato Centrale, where you can try Tuscan salami and pecorino cheese. For a taste of the Tuscan countryside, take a day trip to the hills around Florence, full of vineyards and olive groves. Visit a winery and enjoy Chianti Classico wine with fresh bread and olive oil. Florence is amazing, a city that will capture your heart. Chapter 4. Venice, the floating city. From Tuscany, we go north to Venice, our number 2 pick, a city like no other. Imagine a city built on water, with canals and bridges, where gondolas glide silently past grand buildings. Venice is enchanting, a place to step back in time and experience romance and grandeur. Start with a gondola ride on the Grand Canal. Go under the Rialto Bridge and admire the magnificent palaces along the canal. Get lost in the narrow streets and alleys with hidden courtyards and charming bridges. Visit St. Mark's Square and marvel at St. Mark's Basilica, with its beautiful mosaics and domes. To see Venice's artistic side, take a Vaporetto water bus to Murano, famous for its glass blowing. Watch artists create delicate glass art and maybe buy a souvenir. As the sun sets, making the canals glow, find a Baccaro wine bar and enjoy Prosecco or a Bellini, Venice's special cocktail. Venice will steal your heart, a place of timeless beauty and unforgettable charm. Chapter 5. Cinque Terre, Coastal Colors. Our number one pick is on the Ligurian coast, Cinque Terre. Imagine 5 colorful villages on cliffs above the turquoise Ligurian Sea, connected by walking paths and a train line. Cinque Terre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and great for hiking. Put on your hiking boots and walk the Sentiero Azzurro Blue Trail, which connects all 5 villages. Hike through vineyards and olive groves, past old terraces on the hillsides, and enjoy amazing sea views. Each village is unique. Explore Manarola, the oldest village. Relax on the beach in Monterosso al Mare, the only village with a sandy beach. Admire Vernazza's harbor, considered by many to be the most beautiful village. Swim in Corniglia's clear water, high on a cliff. And enjoy the quiet of Rio Maggiore, with its colorful houses on the hillside. Don't forget to try the local food. Sample the famous pesto, best with trophy pasta. And try the anchovies, fresh from the sea. Cinque Terre is a place you won't forget, full of natural beauty, culture, and amazing experiences. Italy is a dream destination, and these top 5 places show how diverse and amazing it is, from ancient ruins to romantic coastlines. Which spot is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. I do read all the comments. Like this video, subscribe for more travel ideas, and watch our next video, Top 10 Places to Visit in England.